Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's a DIY carrot oil. Carrot oil is good in your hair because it prevents hair fallout, split ends, and also hair breakage. Carrot oil has a lot of properties. Carrot itself contains beta carotene, which makes the skin more elastic. What I like to do first is to slightly use a knife to scrape up the carrot's skin, just very lightly, as you can see me doing in the video. Before doing this, make sure your carrot is nicely washed and leave to hair dry, and then go ahead and scrape up the skin. Carrot oil helps in clearing up skin blemishes. It removes dark spots and suntan. It is mostly used to even out uneven skin tone. It prevents hair loss, makes your hair shiny, silky, and stronger. So here I'm just using a grater to grate my carrots. Carrot oil make your skin looks very young and also give you a fairer skin tone. And all you need to make this carrot lightening oil is carrots and either olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. Our shredded carrot is ready now, and the next thing is to head over to the kitchen. The next thing is to put your frying pan on a very low flame and add 3 cups of oil, and it depends on the quantity you are making, but because I'm making a large quantity, or should I say a big bottle, so I added 3 cups of oil in my hot frying pan, and I just tested that with that piece of carrot to see if the oil is hot enough to put the carrots inside. So here I'm just putting the carrot in my hot oil and leave that to set, and every 15 minutes I do come back to check if it's ready. Do not leave it to burn. We don't want the nutrients to go, so we need our nutrients in the carrot, and at the same time we want to retain the nutrients in the oil that we use as a base. So keep checking every 15 minutes. Do not let it get burnt, and yes, let's go. So boo boo, before we continue, before we keep going on in this video, right? Let me ask you this question. You already know what question I'm about to ask you as usual. Have you subscribed? Like, have you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell button? Have you? No? Why? What you're waiting for on it? Hit that subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop it like it's hot on this channel, you will be the first to know about it. So we are back after 15 minutes, and now our carrot oil is ready. When the carrot oil is ready, you will see the carrots floating on top of the oil. That way you will know that your carrot oil, lightning oil, radiant oil is ready. So let's go ahead and switch off the cooker. So here it is. Leave it to cool off for a few minutes, or let's say about 30-40 minutes. Then prepare your oil to be bottled up. If you're new on this channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. But before you go, do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, and also by clicking that notification bell. It will help me so much in this journey. And also to my new subscribers and my old subscribers, thank you all so much for the support, for your comment, for your like. It means a lot to me, and I really appreciate you lovely so much.
Send your blessings to the show, get the money. Lord of mercy. Ọ̀tá ò fẹ́ ká níláárí, ènìyàn ò fẹ́ ká ẹrù ká sàn. Ẹ má jẹ́